ngicela isitory engingasazi ne. Igama lele tournament Shaka Easter tournament. Lo muntu engimphethe bambiza ngoShaka. What if uyi-hoster? Bese wayishaya lele ukuthi ayiwine because le million right now likuye. Yangitshela but azini izinto ezikanje uzijwayele umuntu ubuke wina ama-tournament a-big guy ku-PSL ama-million boma 8 million what million yo hayi lo muntu uvayile bafethu akhrothman lami uyazi siphelele mthembu everyone knows you there's no need ukuthi uzi-introduce asikho isidingo sokuthi uzi-introduce but into engifuna ukuyazi for umuntu ongazi ukuthi why ikhrothman abalibiza ngoShaka
ngisuka le kwaNongoma kahle kahle ngazalwa kwaNongoma and the history Zulu Kingdom, you know. Mangfia PSL, the way I was fighting like a warrior, like you saw today. Sure. It's always been in me ukuthi ngiyalwa. KZN into zokutshela umbokazi ukuthi qina ndoda. So sifundiswe leyo nto ukuthi don't fail, yilwa. So then le gama laphuma kanjalo ke. But ngiya embrace because nomuntu lo wayele igama lakhe lo the late King Shaka. Now I fighter, so I was like, this is a motivation for me. Let me represent it well in the field of play, yeah.
So okay, Khrothman, please walk us through i-career yakho. Umuntu omdala uqale wadlala phi ibhola? Just usitshela ngama-team awadlalela ku-professional, uphinde usibekisele nokuthi ku-pro side wafika kanjani?
Bengidlala kwi-Amiche lo eKasi, ngidlalela i-first team yakhona bathi yini le league le Castle. I was 13 years. When I was 14, I was selected to Maritzburg City Development. From it development to school, then to school. When I was 19, turning 20, then I got selected by God's grace because we are praying family. Nabizwa Chiefs, I trained the Chiefs. Then there was a drama, and then I ended up going to Pirate because my family was supposed to eat at the end of the day. I have to choose the side. So from there, then I've been working hard, never give up. Team to teams, Platinum Stars, Free State, Cape Town City, Celtics, Arrows, Amazulu, what else? Bloemfontein Celtics. So the drive was to liberate my family from the so-called poverty we're coming from, so that these kids must be well educated, and myself also, you know, I must just create a legacy. You know, sometimes the legacy is not what you have materially. Sometimes you pave a way for your kids when they go knock doors to doors. They say, it's Amala Kuban, oh, hello, okay. You know, so you have to keep the good image as well. Live well, eat well, and maintain your body. At this time, I'm 38 years old. I'm still giving a shift, enjoying a passion of the game. Stay away from media, listening to the negativity. That's the whole Shaka you know today.
Nalento ukuthi umuntu obukele lapha makangibona ngimene umuntu ofana nawe uyafuna ukulalela umsherele experience ezwathathe nama-advice lawa azowathatha. So as you know umuntu omdala ukuthi kunama player lokushini afuna ukuphumelela ku-pro side. Mabafika kule stage esifana nalezi ukuthi gcwele ihlwele zibuka ibhola, you know, isound abantu bayarasa kukho easy. So wena as the player ma-advise umuntu ungamtshela ukuthi ungam-advise uthini ukuthi akwazi ukhandle i-pressure and prepare for ama-games.
Whenever I go to the games like finals, my meditation is like, I want to play so well that I'm not focusing on the crowd. The moment I get into one task, two tasks, then I get into the game, then I express myself. Because there's a fear when you get into the field. And also, once you lose the ball first time, then you're scared to play. So I always say, just get there, touch the ball, then you get into the game, you enjoy yourself and stuff. You meet nobody but yourself. In this case, you meet yourself as the word of God in action. No one bewitch you but yourself. If you feel not confident about yourself, you're not going to give it 100% in the field. So it's a belief in each individually that they must observe and say, I believe in myself. I'm here to entertain them, give them my best and enjoy it. My family is just looking and say, waiting for a good result. So why should I fail in a big stage? And then stay away from posting a lot before the game. Post after the victory, that's sweet. But then posting before the game, then when you come out, you lose confidence. The media is talking bad about you. Stay away from the media and just do it for your family. Be a passion. So it's always the advice I give them that do it, let it be a passion, not content. Let it be a passion. You enjoy it, then the result will come. The scout will see you. That's all I always say to them, to say, hey, be passionate about it. Believe in yourself. Yeah.
Speaking of ama-player poster before game ngicabangisa uLamine Yamal because he used to do that all the time before ayodlala ama-match. So mntomdala as someone obuya ku-professional football, eliphi i-player okhe wadlala nalo eli-best as i-teammate, eliphi i-player eli-best okhe wadlala nalo as i-opponent, and eliphi i-player ongakaze wadlala nalo ubungafisa ukudlala nalo as i-teammate?
Le Grootman le la Kilogwat. Ayithatha ishit. Mawudlala it does discipline. And then ngipointa yena because I'm a kind of a guy who like to fight. And also as a teammate, it was this Donna, the guy who will work so hard, but will make you feel like you are part of him and stuff. For me, I didn't look, man. I was just fighting my way out. I always fight against the big guys. Oh, Metu Puti, this one, Abobani, Abo Kumalo. I always like these big guys. I feel like I'm working now. But all in all, you know, when you face the best of players, you just want to be the best as well. So you go against it. I wouldn't pinpoint. But Donna and Lucky, hey, there's a hush. Ngalana ufuna baba, hey, come on, fuck, they been too. Donna, you will say, hey man, relax, you know. So you have this one no kurasha, you have this one no when you calm, then you end up enjoy so bana masaita itu correct, okay, yeah, kurasha, but also it must be smart, yeah, bro. So I wouldn't point certain players and call names that much, but the one that I recognize is the one that they always talk to me even over the phone.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say you were given a chance to bring one player, a retired player, ubuyisa ku professional football, ubungathanda ukubuyisa bani?
Retired. Bana ba retired. Tsepo Masile.
Why Tsepo Masilela?
He move like a fish in the ground. Like the guy who doesn't talk too much. The instruction is like Engwenya, so. But he will give you a hell of a left back. Yeah. He will go forward. He will come strong. That guy, I like it because I love him because he pushes everyone with like a good heart. He doesn't criticize. He doesn't, fight anyone. He just call you here and say, you know what, just enjoy football. Yeah, Tsepo Masile, and there's a funny guy as well in the field.
Namhlanje uyi-millionaire, win tournament ye-millionaire. Namhlanje uyi-millionaire, ngiyantshela nina, uwin i-million. Grootman ngiyakujabulela ukuthi uwinile today. Mitha. Yenziwani le mali kahle ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ebholweni makuyi imali ezingaka zenziwani le imali?
Mfana ngazi kwa finance mina phethu. But bengidlala because enjoy just the tournament and then I end up getting into this stage like last season. But my finances mina ngikho mnandi. So whatever happens, all I want is to do into encane for the OLED kade ngaligcina. Yeah, well, so credit must go to OLED ke libele ngibeka kuma pray uthi baba buyize ekhaya ngisho ukuthi angisaye ekhaya. But anyway, this day in my mind it was for uma yabo ngifuna ukumbona ibirthday yakhe is coming, so that's why I was giving to say, let me give my mom a nice present, yeah.
Because udlalile ku Chiefs neBhakania, ungabe favor yiphi team lapho?
Yo. Ngikhule ngisupport Chiefs. Angeke ngisho ukuthi ngifavor yiphi.
Hayi uzwele, yeah.
Mara parati dlalela ibhola elimnandi. Mara ngikhule ngisupport Chiefs. Ne treatment engiyitholile ku Chiefs I can safely say it was better than the Pirates. But yeah, Pirates idlala ibhola elimnandi, no.
So according to you, which player win play of the season? PSL.
Give it to this young and upcoming. Very calm, very talented, very humble. I'm forgetting Apollos Mfukeng. Also don't forget about Mkwena.
Mfana Mfukeng akahambe ephesheya. Samfunda mina ngiyamxoxa akahambe ephesheya. Sesiright. Sibonile kwanele manje.
I think I don't know. I felt like maybe the chairman is so smart about it.
Yeah.
Ukuthanyu sama cap so that there's more money coming. But my opinion.
Sure.
But it was so smart about him because it's as a young boy away from the family, yet he's had one season in the PSL. I think they were right to just hold him a little bit. Now he's a key player for Pirates. Now it's time for end of the season. It's time for him to leave.
So ngoba udlala i-position yakhe strike. Between these strikers, start one, bench one and sell. Kylian Mbappe, Erling Haaland and Harry Kane.
I like Mbappe, but Harry Kane.
Start.
Yeah, start.
Bench
Mbappe.
and you sell.
I will sell Haaland. Yeah, I will sell Haaland.
Asithi uthengiswa uHaaland nga 50 million, uma uthola lo 50 million ungawuyenzani? Uza kuwa buze teamini, uza kuwa as individual.
50 million
Yeah,
charity.
sure.
Yeah, I will give it to the kids that they don't have parents. They never experience what is nice meal is. Yeah, I will give it to those kids.
Sure. Sabonga. Any word of the day before sivala mtamtana?
Phew. It's the same thing that you meet nobody but yourself. In this case, you met yourself as the word of God in action. No one bewitched you, but only your negative thoughts.
Sayivala ngiyabona isikhathi sayo mtamtana. Ushaka. Ushaka. Shap shap.